Have you ever dreamt of working in the heart of Silicon Valley, collaborating with brilliant minds and shaping future of technology? For many Indian IT professionals, the US tech dream is a powerful motivator. With a $27 trillion economy, getting H-1B visa will be life-changing for any Indian. The US government allocates a limited number of H-1B visas each year, making them highly sought after. As the demand for skilled workers have increased, US has been denying fewer H-1B visa petitions every year now. Landing an H-1B visa opens doors potentially higher salaries compared to your home country into two times higher than the typical US worker. You have earned $110,000 and higher. Your spouse will also be allowed to work in US if you are an H-1B visa holder. Work for the leading tech giants in the US, from Silicon Valley giants to established industry leaders. The biggest tech giants of the world, Apple, Facebook, Google, Amazon, are all present in the heart of Silicon Valley. Getting an H-1B visa will be a golden opportunity, as you will get to work with the best and brightest people in your field. But how do you turn that dream into reality? The H-1B visa explained. The key lies in securing an H-1B visa. The visa is specifically designed for specialty occupations requiring theoretical and practical application of the body and specialized knowledge. Think software developers, engineers, data scientists, and other highly skilled IT professionals. The demand for these professionals is quite high. In 2023, US issued 1,27,600 H-1B visas. Now, H-1B visas can be complex with quotas, petitions, and specific requirements. That's where YXS steps in. A team of experienced immigration consultants have proven track record of success in guiding Indian IT professionals through the H-1B visa process.